Two years ago, my cat Pixel tried to eat a candle off the Advent wreath. This year, I wanted to make an Advent wreath that he couldn't eat and would have zero risk of him accidentally setting his tail on fire. So I headed to Fusion 360 and I made this 14-piece, fully 3D printable Advent wreath. On the first Sunday of Advent, we light the first purple candle, known as the prophecy candle. It is named in remembrance of the prophets that foretold the coming of Christ. It represents hope and the anticipation in the coming of Christ. On the second Sunday of Advent, we light the purple candle, known as the Bethlehem candle. It symbolizes Mary and Joseph's journey to Bethlehem. On the third Sunday of Advent, we light the pink candle, the shepherd's candle. It is pink because the color rose is the liturgical color for joy. This candle represents the joy the world experienced from the birth of Christ. On the last Sunday of Advent, we light the angel's candle. It reminds us of the message of the angels, peace on earth and goodwill towards all men. On Christmas Eve, we light the final candle, Christ's candle, which signifies that Jesus has been born.